Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over if you can play Township offline, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game created by Playrix, and it is very similar to other sort of community building games, farming games such as Farmville, and so on and so forth. And it is quite an amusing little game, if I do say so myself. I have played it a bit, and as I've said in this tutorial, I will be going over if you can play it offline. And as you can see, I am using a Reddit article for this. And you will excuse me for it, since my recording software for my phone is a bit problematic at the moment. It tends to just go on and off. It just stops my recordings, and it is very impractical for me to use it. Now, as I've said, I'm using this Reddit article, and as you can see, this user asked the question whether it's possible to play without internet access. Now, one thing you do need to keep in mind about Township, it is technically an online game, so there is no way to play this offline. As you can see, this user said that you need internet access, which is pretty much customary for all these progression-based mobile games, which you can play with friends, and of course you can add your friends in Township, which is kind of a sign that you cannot use the game offline. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Sadly, you cannot play it online. Excuse me if the title of this video has been a bit misleading, to say the least. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it from me. I will see you guys in another video.